Prior to Arctic Wolf coming on board, the biggest challenges were really knowing where to focus our efforts. So we were in a very reactive approach. We were snowed under with the amount of alerts. We were really struggling to switch to that proactive approach that made us focus our efforts on the improvements that are going to have a big impact for us.
Everyone talks about digital transformation. Clearly having a very top-level cybersecurity partner is a key part of that. Infrastructure, the protection, being able to travel the world, attend races globally. It's a big part of our security and our operational story.
We have a mobile data centre that we spin up and spin down 24 times a year. So having someone that really understands that is critical, and we've embedded Arctic Wolf's technology at every level.
The competitive edge of a partnership like Arctic Wolf is really bringing skills and services and expertise that's beyond what we've got in our vast Formula One team of around 1,000 staff. This is really about deepening what we can do in the security landscape, really being able to scale up way beyond what we could do as a team. It's exponentially increased how we can protect ourselves and do business.
Complete onboarding, I think, was just over 6 weeks, and that is end to end. It was phenomenal. We were really impressed with the diligence from the team, and we were able to start getting some really useful information very quickly in that process.
That education piece that Arctic Wolf provides is a big part of that. Ways that we can interactively inform our staff of what we're up against and really just help to understand some of those most common pitfalls, I guess, that you face within the security industry. What's next for the partnership with Arctic Wolf? The implementation, the rollout has really exceeded where we thought we'd get to initially with this. The Aurora platform's clearly very broad. The Alpha AI platform that's speeding up some of our threat intelligence, our awareness, the way we can learn.
The concierge team have been a massive help to us in terms of having someone look at our information with context and giving us a quick path to secure the team.
It's that kind of breadth of service and the speed that we've been going, and that will just continue into the future with what we do with Arctic Wolf.